So let's have a discussion about the miscellaneous exercise of sequence and series. So this is the first question. And the question is that if f is a function actually is what? In mathematics, function is a relation. Okay. It's a relation. Relation means when you are giving some input, so you are getting an output. So output is completely dependent upon the input. So that's a relation, giving some input and getting some output, right? That is a function. Now the function is what in the question? This is the function. That is f of x plus y is equals to f of x and f of y, right? You are putting something as x and y and you are getting something as an output. So this is the input and this, after solving this, you will get this as output. What they are saying next, x and y belongs to n. The x and y both are the natural numbers. So we have to start with 1, right? Both the numbers. Next, what is given to you? F of 1 is equals to 3, right? F of 1 is equals to 3. This is given to us. And next thing, what is given? Summation of x1 to n, f of x is equals to 120, right? This is given to us. Please focus on this. Summation is given, means sum of the n terms, whatever the n terms we have, the addition of these terms is 120. That is given. Now we have to find out how many terms we have in the sequence, right? So yeah, let's start with the question, everyone. So we have this, which is very, very important. And this is also given to us. F of 1 is equals to 3, right? Fine. So when we are putting x as 1 and y as 1, x as 1 and y as 1. So let's say this is 1 plus 1 is equals to f of 1 and y of 1, right? So f of 1 means 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will f, what is f of 1? F of 1 is 3. And again, f of 1 is what? Again 3. So it will be f of 2 is given as 339. So this is the second value, right? Okay. When we are putting x as 2 and y as 2, x as 2 and y as 2. So you are getting, okay, let's say if you are putting x as 1 and y as 2, so it will become 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Okay, that equals to f of 1 and f of 2. Okay, now f of 1 is what? 3. And what is f of 2? F of 2 is how much? F of 2 is, you have just find out, which is 9. So it is 27. Okay, now let's move towards the next part. If we have to find out f of 4, so we take x as 1 and y as 3. Okay, so y as 3. So this is the third part, second part, first part. Okay, now we will put in this only, same. So f of x is 1, y is 3, that is equals to f of 1 and f of 3. Okay, f of 1 is what? 3. And f of 3 is how much? We just find out, which is 27. So that is how much? 2181. Okay, so now we have terms. We have f of 1, which is 3, f of 2, 9, f of 3, 27, f of 4, 81, and so on. We don't have to find so much of value. So this is the sequence actually. So if you will see in the sequence, this is the first term, which is a is equals to 3. And what is the common ratio? Common ratio is next term divided by the first term. So 9 over 3, which is 3 only. Every time when you divide the next term by the previous one, you are getting 3. So the ratio, common ratio is equals to 3. Okay. So this is required. This is required. Now we have given this one. Okay. Which is very, very important. So focus on this part. Just a second. I will rub the page so it will help us. Okay. So we know that summation means sum only. So what is the formula for sum of n terms of the GP? Sum of n terms is equals to a times r raised to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. So what is a? Okay, sum is given to you as 120. What is a? A is 3. What is r? R is also 3. N minus 1 over 3 minus 1, which is 2. Okay, which is 2. Now we have to solve this, as simple as that. So let's solve it further. Okay, so this is how much? It is 240 multiply. Okay, 2 multiply is equals to 3, 3 of n and minus 1. Then divide, which is how much? 80. that is equals to 3 raised to the power n minus 1. 1 we will take to the left hand side. It will become 80 plus 1. 81 is equals to 3 raised to the power n. So we want to write 81 in the form of 3 raised to the power something. So 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. 3 raised to the power n. 3 cancel out. So n is equals to 4. So basically we have 4 terms in the sequence. As simple as that. So please remember one thing. This is the main portion of the question. You have to sort it out very carefully, right? So x and y, they both are natural numbers. So you have to start with x 1 only because both are 1. But you have to think that what you have to take x and what you have to take y so that you will get something from the previous values. Like f of 1 is 3. Here, 1, we can't say it is x or y. But to make f of 2, we know that x plus 1 should be like 1 plus 1. So x and y we have taken as 1 and 1. So that will help us. Okay. So yes, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.